Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Shows. So from this video, I'm creating a playlist of Cypress complete course. So let's talk about what will be the course curriculum. So first is what is Cypress introduction. So in this, I'm going to talk about what is Cypress and what is the architecture of Cypress and exactly why we are using it as a web automation tool. Second is how to set up Cypress and Node.js in Windows and Mac. So we're going to see how to set up complete setup of Node.js and Cypress in Windows as well as in Mac. Third is how to write the basic test case with explanation. So in this, we are going to see from scratch that why we are creating describe block, why we are creating it block, and how what are the basic syntax of writing a test case, what is the folder construction, why for package.json is there and lot of basic functionalities in writing a basic test case. Fourth is how to create a framework in Cypress. So basically, if we want a complete suite functionality, so we need a complete framework. So we're going to start a framework from scratch so that if you don't have any prior knowledge in Selenium or any other tool, you can easily follow my video and you would be able to create a complete framework. Fifth is reporting in Cypress. So after creating a framework, we need reporting so that we can analyze that test report generated from the framework so that we can be able to understand how many test cases are getting failed and how many test cases are getting passed. Sixth is creating a complete suite in Cypress by using a live project. So in this, we are going to take a live website and we're going to automate more than 20 test cases in it, and we'll create a complete suite functionality by using a framework and a live project. Seven is how to upload the web suite in GitHub. So after creating the framework and live project, we're going to upload the complete code in GitHub so that we can use it later. And last but not least, how to run suit via Jenkins. So basically, Jenkins is a CI/CD tool. So after uploading to GitHub, we're going to run your repository, your complete code via automated software that is Jenkins. So I think you are very excited to join this course. So please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends because it's a job ready course and it will be a great opportunity to learn this course via YouTube. Thank you. Thanks.